When a part like this is imported from another file format into SOLIDWORKS, the orientation may not be ideal. This is the front view, and it's not what I want the front to be. Rotating the part around, this is what I want the front to be. The easiest way to reorient the views is to update standard views from the orientation menu. Click on this icon and choose which view we want this to be. Yes, we want to change it. Now this is the front, and this is the isometric view. That changes the standard views, and these carry over to drawings, which may be sufficient, but it does not change the default planes. They're still where they were, and the front plane is still where the front plane of the part used to be. I want to reset the views back the way they were. So this is the front as it originally was. If you want to reorient the default planes along with the part, here's a technique that works. After importing the part file, create a coordinate system. In this example, I created a sketch and drew a couple of lines to help establish exactly where 0, 0, 0 should be and the direction of X, Y, and Z. Then I created a coordinate system. Do a save as, changing the file type to what it originally was, in this case a parasolid file. And in Options, change the output coordinate system to the one we just created. Save it, overwriting the original file. Close this one without saving and reopen the original file. Now the front top right is the way we want, and the default planes are in the position that we want also. Thank you.